poor man from there go call laugh like say don't make am. Then the idiots will come complete them. You are going somewhere. Where you don't go? Over this walk here. See, I don't make up my mind, a cappella. 2020. If I never hammer, I do blood money. I'm tired of all this nonsense. No, wait till they say, say, my brother, I did think some things one day. I got a shame for some Igbo men. Do you know Igbo men actually did blood money in this Lagos to buy V-boot? V-boot, if one is and carry me for taxi now, I don't go green. You keep people, they do just to buy V-boot. This Nigeria, there's mixed priority. Our London youths don't come back. You know now we're being careful. They say I hate speech. And I said it that when he came back, he was coming to renew his visa. They said now he's going to America. You know, sometimes you pay attention to bigger things. The things where you don't pay attention to, now go mess you. Buhari's wife was busy fighting the hyenas and the jackals. You know, no saying a rat will give your husband quit notice. Buhari didn't come back because he wanted to come back. Buhari came back to sleep. We know no saying international protest, Buhari they wait for sense. Charlie boy there, they fool himself. They shout, our mumu don't do, our mumu don't do. Buhari say, see mumu, you go talk tired today. One night vigil, after now say night vigil, no they work. One night vigil, Buhari came back the next morning because when did they shout, Buhari go, Buhari go, Buhari go? Somebody come beg them. Say, please, His Excellency want to sleep. They said, no lie, no sleep for the weekend. Buhari go. Buhari go. The next morning, Buhari had to come back to sleep. That's why they don't prepare for him coming. That's why rats stayed in the office. He took them by storm. This Nigeria, no. At the shame, anytime I travel abroad, go be like say I travel to the future. When you come back, it be like say you come back to past. You can be like present where they show to past and future. Present, past and future, present. So finally, in my opinion, let's lease Nigeria to Dubai. Are we in a hurry? You know, say I don't look at Igbo people. They come here in the early 18, whatever, 17, whatever, to claim our black people. They came when we're not ready. Now that we are ready, they come build embassy to stop us. Then you walk on travel. The same Oyibo we kidnap you, we carry your forefathers. God they ask you, what are you going to do in the US? You will carry person forefather, and you know say Peking go find out. Myself, Akia Popo, and the small doctor. And so we got to the immigration. Akia Popo, Akia Popo, they greet Akia Popo, they pass. I come, Capella, where they go? I saw they go London, we pass. After 5 minutes, I realized the small doctor not there with us. So as I turn back, I see they search him back. Now me, I can't go back, go meet the immigration officer. I said, why they embarrass this guy? You know, this is not superstar now. Why they search him back? Now the immigration officer asked me, now superstar? I say yes. What did they do? I said, I'm a musician. He could ask me one question, which song can sing? How I want to tell him, I said, I. Now I tell small doctor, sing your song. Now that one start. I kill mosquito, where? Now immigration answer, he be mosquito call. Now I look me a cappella, carry your friend, all of another comedian. In this Nigeria, you mix things. Nigeria is the only place where one hustle cannot work anymore. You have to mix it. That's why I go swear they sell it, go inside chemists now. They don't know. Drug is drug. This one no work, this one go work. It was because government was not paying. Now make a reputable lawyer like Festus Kiyamo carry Stephen Otobo case for head like saying a government work. Anywhere the money want to come from, everybody now is hustling. Everybody is doing everybody's job. Nigerian police can arrest you for free now. Police just stop one boy, say, hey, stop there. The boy stop, open that bag. They open and the bag empty. They say you're under arrest. The boy say for what? They say you want to thief laptop. You can't be moving with empty bag. You have a plan.